Prior to creating screencasts, students will be given a list of guiding questions to help them understand what to include in their explanations of mid-latitude cyclones, including the movements of the fronts and the types of weather parameters that they should talk about. Once they're ready to create their screencast, then they can go to the Screencast-O-Matic website and they can go to the Start Recording button, click on that, and that will enable them to use the program from the website, or they can download the program to their computer. Once they've done that, then they'll select the maps or simulations they'd like to use in their description of the mid-latitude cyclones. For example, they could use a weather map. There's some interactive or static ones, and talk about the symbols that represent the fronts, cold and warm, and the low pressure areas associated with them, the movement of the fronts and the weather. They could also incorporate simulations to explain the same things, which show the actual movement of the air masses, as in this case a cold front moves in and the warm air moves up, and the precipitation that's produced. They could also use a simulation of the middle latitude cyclone to then explain how the movement of those fronts produces the rotation that you see in a mid-latitude cyclone. So a lot of possible resources that they have the ability to choose from, which I think will get them engaged and excited about the activity. I also think it will, needing to do the explanations will have them spending more time with the simulations and understanding them, which I think will produce deeper learning of the topic. Once they're finished producing their screencasts, then they can go ahead and stop their recording. They'll have an option to either publish to YouTube or save the file as an MP4 on their computer. And once they've done that, then they can share with their peers and discuss what they've learned.